In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change or even just simply install ink cartridges on your HP DeskJet printer. Now in this video, I'm using a 2622, but this actually applies to all HP DeskJets in the 2600 series. So maybe you have a 2655, which is the American version. Don't worry, it's all the same. All of these are the same. So let's get straight into it. Now, because I have the European version, I have the 301 cartridges, but if you're in America, I believe they're the 65 cartridges. Anyway, I'll show you how to check. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the original cartridges. We're going to achieve this by popping out this front section, which is where your paper comes out when it's printed. And we're going to look inside and we are going to open up this next section. Now your printer needs to be on for this to happen because the ink essentially presents itself very kindly and very nicely. So to get this out, it is quite simple. What you want to do is you want to basically just pull down towards you and the ink will come out. Black goes on the right and your multicolored goes on the left. So we're going to pull those out. Okay, those are the older ink cartridges. Now I'm going to unbox my newer ink cartridges and show you what to do next. Now this is what the ink cartridges look like outside of the box. Now I will say, because the 2600 series model printers are a bit older, you are safe to use fake ink cartridges, so not official ones, as the official ones can cost a lot of money. Anyway, let's get these out of the packaging. Okay, so this is what they look like out of the packaging. Now they're almost ready to go. However, as you can see, there is a piece of tape just over the print head. So what we're going to do, we're just going to carefully peel this off. Now, I recommend you can even do this over a bin if you'd like, because there might be some ink spillage, but this seems to be completely fine. I'm going to also peel it off on the other one. Again, you should actually peel it from the orange side. I'm just going to peel that off and try not to touch this area because you might get a little bit inky like that piece of plastic did. So now we have our two ink cartridges. Now, how do we install them? Well, it's very simple. We've kept our printer open because the tray is waiting for us to install. And you will notice that it's actually color coded. So we can see on the left here, we need to install the pink one, and on the right, we need to install the black one. So we're going to install the black one first. Remember, our plastic is off. And the way that it installs is it's going to go in head first, like so. So I'm just going to try and get a good camera angle. I'm going to let it sit there so it's not fully in. I'm going to put my finger on the back of this and I'm going to just push it in with my thumb until it clicks. I'll show you guys one more time. So I'm going to put it in there, you know, just not too forceful, okay? I'm going to put my finger on top and I'm just going to again push it in with my thumb until it clicks. And that is fully installed, guys. All you have to do next is shut the lid. And the printer itself will detect that there is new ink inside. And so you can see it's detecting it just there. And once it processes the cartridges properly, you'll be able to see your estimated ink levels populate on this tiny screen. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this helped, please consider subscribing and leave a like and comment if this helped, please. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and goodbye.